Today we are here to explain and to show you how it works, our new PROLOGIC the C.O.M 6-shooter climber kit. The 6-shooter climber kit, as you see, is available in a full set. So you have different colors for the head, different connections, so you can use it both on a standard buzzer bar or in the bank sticks. And then you have an infinite regulation about the weight that you want to use for the head. Let's have a look. So this is how it comes, the full set. As you see, you have 5 different heads: red, blue, glow, yellow and red. All the head is interchangeable. You just have to unscrew the top and then you can take it out. As you can see, we have used the 6-shooter system for the weight, plus 2 additional weight on the bottom. We have one weight, 22 grams, plus 12 grams, and of course on top of this we have the 6 additional weight, the same used on our normal 6-shooter. So you can actually decide how heavy you want to have it, depending if there's wind or whatever. Then we have these 2 connections. This is the connection specific for the bank stick. Actually, this can be used with any size, any diameters of bank sticks. You just have to put it inside, close it, and then tie it up on the bank stick. The main advantage of this is, especially when you're fishing with bank sticks and slack line, you can just move this on the bottom of the bank stick. So you will have, yes, the slack line, but you can have a bit of weight for better indication of the bite alarm. Everything is made using our quick release system. So this is how it is when using with a single bank stick. And when you go home, it's extremely fast and easy. And this is everything is left. The only thing I need to recommend is to use a spacer, in this case our quick release connection. So you have the spacer that is provided thanks to the quick release connection. So you have an additional arm that you can connect here, still again with another quick release, and then second quick release connection, and here you are.